Friends and chess lovers, welcome to Sarmilan Chess. In today's video, I am going to give you another interesting chess game for beginner level players. I am going to give you 7 different chess tactics for beginner level players in my YouTube channel. Okay, we can go to the chapter 1, tactic 1. Okay. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sarmilan Chess. This is chapter 1, tactic 1. We can go to the moves. First move is black chain. Black won the game. How to black won the game? I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. First move is bishop d4. You can see now this bishop attack the rook. In the same time, this queen attack the rook. Okay, if he moves like this, that's it. Only one move, bishop cross c3. Okay, now totally this game, white lost the game, black won the game. Go back now. I will show you another interesting chess pattern for beginner level players. This is the best chess tactics. Okay, first move is bishop b4, d4. In this particular pattern, if knight take the bishop, then e cross d4. Okay, then we will see. Now rook moves like this. That's it. Now queen take the rook, then pawn take the queen, then rook take the rook. That's it. This is chapter 1, tactic 1. In this particular pattern chess tactics, black has so many pieces. Black has 2 rook. Okay, that's why easily won black. Okay, let's go to the chapter 2, tactic 2. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. This is chapter 2, tactics 2. First move is black chain. How to black won the game. I am going to explain deeply. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is black chain. Now you can see black pawn go to c5. Okay, we will see this pawn attack the knight. Okay, black pawn attack the white knight. That's why white going to cut like this. That's it. Now white pawn cut the black pawn, then d cross c5. Okay, now totally this game white lost. You can see why white lost. I am going to tell you. Now you can see this bishop in this line. If he moves like this, okay, if move like this, that's it. This bishop is gone. Okay, totally this game black won easily. Okay, we can go to the chapter 3. Okay. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. This is chapter 3, tactics 3. First move is black chain. How to black won the game in 2 moves only. Let's go to the moves. First move is bishop go to b7. Now pin the bishop. Okay. Now you can see bishop take the bishop. That's it. Now see to queen go to there. He cannot do anything white because if move like this, there is a queen. Okay, black got a beautiful queen. That's why this particular chess tactics, white won easily. Okay, let's go to the chapter 4. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sarmilan Chess. This is chapter 4, tactics 4. First move is black chain. How to black won the game. I am going to explain and analyze deeply. Please watch until finish this video. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's go to the moves. First move is rook cross f5. Rook take the pawn, then pawn take the rook, then beautiful queen is gone. That's it. Now white totally lost the game. Now go back now. First move is black chain. Rook cross f5. If queen go to e6 and check, Okay, then that's it. Then black rook cut the queen. Okay, that's why this game easily won black. Okay, we can go to the chapter 5, tactics 5. Okay. So, chess friends and chess lovers, welcome to Sarmilan Chess. This is chapter 5, tactics 5. First move is white chain. How to white won the game easily. Please go to the moves. Okay. First move is bishop go to b4. Now pin the queen. Queen cross e5. Okay. You can see queen take the pawn. That's it. One move. Bishop cross f8 and beautiful rook call. That's why in this match, white has so many pieces. Easily won the game. What? Okay. We can go to the chapter 6. Everyone, welcome to Sarmilan Chess. This is chapter 6, tactics 6. How to black won the game in 2 moves only. First move is black check. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is knight h5. Okay, now there is a pin now. You can see now. This bishop pin the queen and rook. That's it. Now queen e2 moves. Queen go to a4. Then bishop take the rook. That's it. That's why this game black easily won this particular chess tactics. Okay, let's go to the chapter 7. Okay, everyone, this is chapter 7. First move is black chain. How to black won the game in 4 moves only. This is beautiful chess tactics for beginner level players. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is d4. Black push the pawn to d4. If bishop take the pawn, that's it. Another move, knight cross d3. Okay, you can see now, knight take the bishop. Then queen take the knight. Then bishop go to c4. Now pin the queen and rook. Now queen go to b1. Then wrap the rook. That's it. That's why easily won the game black. What? This particular pattern, white has less pieces. Black has so many pieces. That's why in this match, white win particular position is not good because black easily won the game. Okay. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you.